No turkey bacon on this plan. Turkey bacon, I love you. It's been nice knowing you, but I'm sorry. I need to break up with you and work with some real meat. I have a free, yes, a free meal plan for everybody. Join me as I go inside the grocery store and show you what is going to be on this meal plan. So let's get started. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Christine with Gauge Girl Training, and today I'm giving you all a very special gift. Not only am I taking you guys on a low carb, high fat grocery haul, I have a free, yes, a free meal plan for everybody. So if you're interested in exploring low carb, high fat, if you're interested in exploring keto, but you're not sure if it's right for you, you can go down below and click the link. All you need to do is sign up for my newsletter and you will get the free download of this awesome meal plan. So join me as I go inside the grocery store and show you what is going to be on this meal plan. So let's get started. All right guys, so one common mistake that people make on low carb, high fat diets, especially one mistake people commonly make with a ketogenic diet, is they do not get enough fiber. So on the ketogenic diet, the macros for carbohydrates is approximately 5% carbs. That's very, very low. However, you still need fiber. I always recommend counting net carbs, and I'm going to make sure that you guys get adequate amount of fiber in this meal plan. So I'm going to be grabbing a big thing of spinach here, you guys. You do not want to miss out on your fiber. 1 cup of spinach has 1 carb, but it's also 1 fiber as well. So we're going to be building some nice things with that. Another thing that we're going to be working with, you guys, is I love having some extra greens. So I'm grabbing some Italian parsley. This is going to be part of one of the recipes I'm going to show you. We're going to be doing some salmon oil packets, which you guys will love. And another thing, you guys, I highly recommend, you cannot go short on your veggies. Just because you are low carb, high fat, do not underestimate your veggies. I'm going to be grabbing some red bell peppers as part of this grocery haul, but we're going to be grabbing some of these. I always love having some bright pops of color in my meals, as well as some spice. Love some spicy food. So we're going to be grabbing some jalapenos as well. If you guys have been following Gauge Girl Training for any length of time, you guys know I love spicy stuff. And if you don't like them, you can just leave these out. The next thing we're gonna grab is mushrooms, you guys. I'm obsessed with mushrooms. I have an amazing portobello mushroom breakfast recipe for you. And when you're eating lower carb, these are really excellent. What we're gonna end up doing, guys, we're gonna take the cap, we're gonna bake some eggs in these. They're gonna be awesome. Grab some mushrooms, as well as we're gonna be making a really nice quiche for all of you guys. And I'm going to be working with the baby portobello mushrooms, as well as nice side for some steak. Last but not least, I'm going to be grabbing some zucchini squash. This is going to be excellent for our foil salmon bake, and this is really great source of carbs, but it's very high in fiber, so we're going to enjoy this with our meal prep. So now let's go find some protein and some fat. All right, guys. So unlike other meal plans, when you are slightly higher fat, lower carb, especially on a ketogenic meal plan, one thing that I love to have as a snack is salami. Yes, you get to have salami on your meal plan. How awesome is that? And one of my favorite cheeses is gorgonzola, you guys. I'm obsessed. Obsessed, 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 and you will be too. So check this out. This is going to be in one of our quiche recipes. So you guys, these will not be in your meal plan. Sorry, potatoes. I love you, it's been nice, but no, these will not be in the meal plan. The only thing you guys can use these for is lifting, but if you're gonna be on this meal plan, you gotta say goodbye to the potatoes. Okay guys, so for those of you who miss cheese, one of my all-time favorite cheeses is Manchego cheese. This is actually really good if you're drinking wine, but we're not gonna be doing that right now. And I'm gonna be including this on this free meal plan for you guys. download it, share it with a friend, and start getting healthy with us today. Ooh-wee, look at how nice that looks. So which salmon would you say is the best?
Well, I have the Atlantic salmon on the end, which is the normal. It depends on if you like farm raised or wild caught. This is the wild caught sockeye salmon.
Actually, I'll get the wild caught. That's probably better.
And on the wild caught, I only have the one kind, which is in sockeye, but it's pretty good. A lot of people get it.
Okay, I just have one special request.
Sure.
Could you slice it for me into 3-ounce portions?
Sure.
Okay.
I'm trying to get as close as possible.
Thank you so much. If I could get 6 of those.
Okay, so I'll do it in portion. I won't do it by cake.
Yeah, so yeah, perfect. Thank you. So I like to have them pre-portion it out for me because then I don't even have to guess. It's already like pre-portioned out. And because we're gonna be making some salmon foil like oven packets with the veggies, it's so fun and easy. And you guys, I'm going for a wild caught salmon as opposed to a farm raised. I think it's just a little bit better when it's a little bit more natural. Yay! So we got some salmon. It's already pre-portioned. So I'm so excited. Now let's go see if we can find some more proteins, and then we gotta get some more fats. So guys, I just wanted to point out, on a low carb high fat plan, it allows you to save some money at the grocery store. So check this out, look at these like chicken, it's 59 cents, 99 cents, and then don't get me wrong, the chicken breast is on sale today, but like seriously though, paying like only 99 cents a pound is pretty awesome in my book. I'm actually going to grab us some chicken thighs, and we're going to be making some of these as well. My favorite part of high fat, low carb, my favorite. And don't get me wrong, I can balance bacon into macros on regular meal plans, but it's bacon. Guys, who does not love bacon? So there is going to be bacon on this meal plan. And I actually, you know what? I'm looking for the nitrate-free bacon because is a little bit better if possible to go nitrate free. Let's keep it, here we go, nitrate free bacon. Yes, there is bacon on this meal plan, so we're gonna have lots and lots of fun in the kitchen today, and your house is gonna smell good. No turkey bacon on this plan. Turkey bacon, I love you, it's been nice knowing you, but I'm sorry, I need to break up with you and work with some real meat. Alright guys, you guys know that I've made you a million recipes with egg whites, but on this program you get to have the whole egg. And I have this open because I always check to make sure the eggs aren't cracked. I'm not sure if you guys do that before you buy eggs, but this looks like a dozen that will work. This is definitely on the grocery haul for our quiche recipe, as well as just for general breakfasts, but we have an awesome quiche coming your way. All right guys, so now we're buying some fat. Let's buy some solid quality fat. The first thing I'm gonna be getting is some heavy whipping cream. I cannot believe I'm purchasing heavy whipping cream. So, there's light cream. We're not talking half, there's skim milk, there's 2%, there's whole milk, there's half and half. We're getting heavy whipping cream. So this is definitely a big shift in my world. So there's heavy cream, and then there's whipping cream. I'm gonna be adding this to the quiche. It's just gonna be so moist and fatty and delicious. But we also need to look for the grass-fed butter. So I'm on a search for Carrie's grass-fed butter. This is the best butter. Gold standard. Carrie's pure Irish butter from grass-fed cows. Happy cows went into the making of this butter. So I wasn't going to go to the ice cream aisle at all, and I know I'm letting all the cold air out, whatever, but oops, there is a pint of 4-pack. How do you get this out? Of Halo Top. And this ice cream is good if you're on the low carb plan. You can't have this if you're on the keto plan because it's just too much carbs. But for the low carb plan, you guys will see, putting this on there so you guys can have some ice cream and enjoy it. But guys, I can't get it. Wait, I can't get it out of the freezer. It's stuck. Wow. Is it this serious? There. When there's a will, there's a way. So just because you can have high fat on this plan, you still want to make sure that you are getting healthy fats. You want to stay away from peanut oil and all these like corn oil. You want to stay away from that. I am going to be using some coconut oil. on this program, so I'm going to be going with an organic coconut oil. I'm also going to be going with, do they have a coconut oil spray? Here we go. Coconut oil spray. It's just to spray the thing, what do you call it? The baking thing, the dishes for the quiche recipes. But yeah, we definitely want to use this. We're going to be using this in our coffee as well, so you guys will definitely see how that goes. And yeah, so this is what we're getting. Apple or cherry turnover. All right. So thank you guys for coming to the grocery store with me today. You will love this free low carb and keto bonus meal plan that I'm offering you guys. Enjoy the recipes, enjoy the meals. If you like this and you're like, wow, this is a way of eating that I can definitely get used to, go to gagegirltraining.com and you can purchase our high-fat, low-carb program. This program has 270 recipes. It comes with a Team Gage Girl private Facebook forum support. It's a great group challenge that you can follow for 10 weeks if you want more dialed-in, targeted results. But this meal plan is just going to give you a great idea to see what it's all about. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.